Hey, I'm Tapanroy and today I want to share you how to draw animals. So yeah, from this long back, when started the painting when I'm kids, I really very fascinated about the animals drawings. So animals drawing is not that easy, okay, because this animals are roaming around here and there. So if it's difficult to understand that, the pose and the shapes, but it's really interesting. So we'll start. So first I share this very simple steps. It's so easy. You can very easily can understand the steps. Okay. So for these steps, how to draw? Is this disturbing? Make it no. Fine. So what I do first, the first steps of this drawing, I just create simple. Why I just doing the first make a just simple circle. So you not feel that drawing is very tough because we all drawing starts from the simple steps, and we are capture the expression of animals, human. Okay, see, I just first. So we are doing first 45 minutes. I doing the portrait animals, birds. Only the develop the drawing skill for the pencil sketch skill. See this, I'm making this, I'm also not making circle perfectly, but I try my best to making the circle proper like this. Okay, so first make a circle, and after the circle I just make the basic shapes. Okay, I just draw this line like half this line like this. Okay, after the circle I just do like this, and I'm using this my another pencil. Oh, yes. Half. Yeah. Half of the circle. Little. You can make it. No, it is little bigger. This part is here showing. Okay. So now what I do here after that, I just take this another. Like this. Here I just make it. See this position. This positions I create this eyes. So you can very clearly understand where the eyes is coming when you make this circle. So break the circle like this. I share you this drawing very easy way. Okay. I make here the box. I make here the box. Yes, beta. Okay. So now here I just make this box. This is the head part circle, and this is a box. And now here I just create the oval shapes like this. See, this is the oval shapes I create here. Very simple. So this box are shaped like this. I draw once again over here. One, this box shapes like this. Like this. It is slanting. Okay. Hello. Good evening, Sejani from Qatar. From Qatar, right? Dubai or Qatar? Qatar, yes. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, good, good, free. Fine. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, good, good. Perfect. Okay, so now what is happening here? I just create with this basic shapes like this one. This is our nose part. Okay, this is nose part. This is the nose part, and I'm creating like this. See here. Okay, here. We just make it like this. So if I make it the straight line, like if I make the straight line like this, so you can got it this part. See this part. This was the nose. This part is nose. Okay. This part is the nose, and then is coming the mouth part like this. Okay. Here this is mouth part. Understand, beta? Srijani.